Ever felt like you're constantly battling the bulge despite all your best efforts? If so, you're not alone. The journey to health and wellness is often a winding road, fraught with obstacles, detours, and dead ends. There's no shortage of advice out there, but finding what works for you can be a real challenge. From fad diets to miracle pills, it can feel like you've tried everything, and yet the stubborn pounds refuse to budge. But what if there was a solution that could help support your weight loss journey, boost your metabolism, and increase your energy? Enter Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, a supplement that's not just about losing weight, but about supporting your overall health and well-being. Today we're going to dive into the world of Ikaria Lean Belly Juice and explore what it has to offer. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, Monster Health Tips. By subscribing, you become a part of our health-conscious community, and you'll get regular updates with more tips and tricks to enhance your well-being. So, what exactly is this Ikaria Lean Belly Juice? You might be wondering. Well, it's more than just a mouthful of words. Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is a specially crafted supplement, designed with the goal to kick your metabolism into high gear, inject your day with an energy boost, and support your weight loss journey. How does it do all this? It targets something called ceramides in your body. These are lipid molecules, and they're a key player in cellular function and signaling. By focusing on these ceramides, Ikaria Lean Belly Juice helps to regulate your body's processes and promote healthier functioning. But it doesn't stop there. Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is a cocktail of exotic nutrients, each picked for their unique properties and benefits. These ingredients work in harmony to dissolve stubborn fat, support a healthy digestion process, and aid in maintaining liver health. Manufactured right here in the USA in an FDA-registered facility, this supplement upholds high standards of production and quality. As with any supplement, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional before use. Now, let's break down the ingredients that make this juice so potent. First up, we have fucoxanthin. A rather exotic ingredient, wouldn't you say? Fucoxanthin is a type of carotenoid found primarily in brown seaweed, and it's been making waves in the health industry. So, what's the big deal about fucoxanthin? Well, let's start with its potential to dissolve stubborn fat. Studies have shown that fucoxanthin can help to increase the metabolic rate, which in turn can lead to weight loss. It's like having a secret weapon in your quest to shed those extra pounds. But that's not all. Fucoxanthin also boasts impressive antioxidant properties. Antioxidants are vital in protecting our bodies from the harmful effects of free radicals, which can lead to chronic diseases. By including fucoxanthin in the mix, Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is not just helping you to lose weight, but also contributing to your overall health and well-being. In summary, fucoxanthin is a nutrient powerhouse. Its potential to dissolve stubborn fat and its antioxidant properties make it an essential component of any health-oriented diet. Clearly, fucoxanthin packs a powerful punch in this juice. Next on our list is Panax ginseng. This ancient root has been used in traditional Asian medicine for thousands of years and is packed with powerful benefits. One of the most notable is its ability to boost energy levels. Feeling sluggish? Panax ginseng may be your ticket to a more vibrant, active life. It's like a natural energy drink without the side effects. But wait, there's more. Panax ginseng doesn't just stop at giving you an energy boost, it's also known for enhancing physical stamina. Whether you're an athlete looking to enhance your performance or someone who just wants to keep up with the grandkids, Panax ginseng can provide that extra push you need. In addition, it's also recognized for its potential to support cognitive function. Yes, you heard it right. This not-so-secret ingredient can also help keep your mind sharp. So, when you sip on that Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, know that you're not just getting support for your weight loss journey. You're also getting a dose of energy, stamina, and cognitive support. It's no wonder Panax ginseng is a key ingredient in this supplement. Now let's talk about bioperine. This ingredient is a key player in the Ikaria Lean Belly Juice blend, not because it directly aids in weight loss, but because it enhances the effectiveness of the other ingredients. Bioperine is a patented form of piperine, the active component in black pepper. What makes it so special, you ask? Well, its primary function is to increase the bioavailability of other nutrients. In simpler terms, it helps your body absorb and utilize the other ingredients in the blend more effectively. Think of it as the facilitator, ensuring that all the goodness from the other ingredients does not go to waste but instead is efficiently used by your body. The role of bioperine really underlines the thoughtfulness that has gone into creating this blend. It's not just about packing in as many beneficial ingredients as possible, but also making sure that they work synergistically for maximum effect. So, remember, while the other ingredients in the Lean Belly Juice get to work on boosting your metabolism, dissolving stubborn fat, and promoting liver health, bioperine is there in the background, doing its part to amplify their effects. Bioperine ensures that all these powerful ingredients work to their full potential. But that's not all, there are several other ingredients in the mix. First up, we have resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant found in the skin of red grapes. It's known for its heart health benefits, but it also plays a role in weight management by helping to regulate metabolism. It can help your body burn calories more efficiently, which is crucial when you're trying to shed those stubborn pounds. Next, we have EGCG, or epigallocatechin gallate if you want to get technical, which is a type of catechin found in green tea. It's not just for sipping on a quiet afternoon. EGCG is a heavyweight when it comes to fat burning. It helps increase the rate at which your body burns calories, even when you're at rest. It's like having a personal trainer working for you around the clock. We also have Taraxacum officinale, also known as the humble dandelion. Now, you might think of this as a pesky weed, but it's actually a powerhouse of health benefits. It's rich in fiber, which aids digestion, and it's also a natural diuretic, helping to rid your body of excess water and toxins. Citrus pectin is another ingredient in our mix. It's a type of fiber derived from citrus fruits, and it's a real boon for your gut health. It helps promote healthy digestion, and can also help control your blood sugar levels, which is essential for weight management. Last, but by no means least, we have milk thistle. This prickly plant has been used for centuries to support liver health. The liver is your body's detox organ, so keeping it in good shape is crucial for overall health and well-being. So there you have it. A blend of exotic and powerful ingredients, each playing a unique role in supporting your weight loss and health goals. Each ingredient in Ikaria Lean Belly Juice has been carefully selected for its unique benefits. So, what's the takeaway here? Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is more than just a supplement. It's a carefully designed concoction, packed with exotic nutrients aimed at supporting your health and wellness journey. Let's dive into the key points that make this product stand out. First and foremost, Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is a metabolic booster. Its unique blend of ingredients, such as the marine plant derivative fucoxanthin, is known to enhance metabolism. By speeding up the rate at which your body burns calories, it aids in weight loss and helps you maintain a healthy weight. Next, this juice is a potent energizer. Thanks to Panax ginseng, a revered plant with centuries of medicinal use, it supports increased energy levels. This can help you stay active and focused throughout the day, making it easier to keep up with your exercise routine, or simply enjoy your daily activities more. Furthermore, Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is designed to support weight loss. Its key ingredient, bioperine, is derived from black pepper, and is known for its ability to enhance the absorption of nutrients. This can help maximize the effectiveness of the other ingredients in the juice, contributing to weight loss. But the benefits of Ikaria Lean Belly Juice don't stop there. It's also formulated to promote overall well-being. Testimonials from users have reported improved well-being alongside their weight loss, which isn't surprising considering the juice's blend of health-supporting ingredients like resveratrol, EGCG, Taraxacum officinale, citrus pectin, and milk thistle. Finally, it's worth noting that this supplement is manufactured in the United States in an FDA-registered facility. This offers a level of trust and assurance in the product's quality and safety. However, it's always recommended to consult with a physician before starting any new supplement regimen. To sum it up, the Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is a multifaceted supplement. It's not just about weight loss, it's about supporting your energy levels, metabolism, and overall well-being. With its unique blend of exotic nutrients, Ikaria Lean Belly Juice might just be the ally you need in your weight loss journey. Remember, every step towards better health counts, no matter how small. Stay motivated, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next Monster Health Tip video.